Hello, good morning, students. So, I am your teacher, Rhea. Our subject today is mathematics. Mathematics. Okay, so this is for you grade 2 students. Our topic today is all about add and even numbers. Add and even numbers. Okay, so let's proceed to our vocabulary for today. Let's read. You can follow after me. Number 1, even. Even. Number 2, add. Add. Number 3, ones place. Ones place. One more time. Let's read all together. Even, add, and ones place. Okay, very good. Let's begin with our lesson today by understanding even numbers and odd numbers. Okay, so let's learn what is even number. All numbers with the digit 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8 in the ones place are called even number. One more time. All numbers with the digit 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8 in the ones place are called even number. Okay, so let's have an example. Look at this number. This is number 10. Number 10 has 0 in the ones place, so it is called even number. How about this number? This is number 18. Number 18 has 8 in the ones place, so this is an even number. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, that is an example of even numbers. Do you understand what is even number? Very good. This one is a flower, right? Okay, so there are how many flowers? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay. We know that 12 is uneven because these 12 flowers can be grouped into twos. Okay, like this. Each of them has a pair, so they are called even number. Again, so 12 is an even number. Okay, understand? Very good. Now, let us understand also the meaning of odd number. So, all numbers with the digit 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 in the ones place, that is called odd number. Again, all numbers with the digit 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9 in the ones place, that is called an odd number. Let us see an example. This is number 11. Number 11 has 1 in the ones place. So this is called odd number. Second example we have here, number 17. Number 17 has 7 in the ones place, so that is called an odd number. Okay, so numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 21. Those are examples of odd number. Okay. So we have here an object. These are pens. Objects add in number cannot be grouped into twos. One object is always left. Okay, so let me show you how. So we have here 11 pens. Let's group them by twos. Okay, so this is two pens, two pens, two pens. And oh, look at this one. We have only one pen. Okay, so one object here is left. So this is an odd number. 11 is odd number. Okay, I hope you understand what is odd number and even number. Okay, so let's see if you know already how to identify even numbers and odd numbers. Let's try to find the odd and even numbers here. The first number, 23. 23 has 3 in the ones place, so it is called an odd number. Next, it is 44. 44. 4 is in the ones place, so it is an even number. How about the next one? 15. Number 15 has 5 in the ones place, so it is called odd number. 20. Okay, 20 has 0 in the ones place, so it is an even number. Even. 41. 1 is in the ones place, so it is an odd number. 22. This is an even number. 1, odd number. 8, even number. 14, this is even number. 5, odd number. 19, odd number. 32, it is even number. 28, even number. 33, it is odd number. 39, odd number. And number 6 is even number. Okay, so I hope you know how to identify odd number and even numbers. Okay, so let's proceed to your activity on your book. This is on page 40. Please open your book on page 40. You will do and learn. Write, add, or even to represent the numbers shown. So you need first to count the number of objects here before you will write even or add. Okay, let's answer. Since we have here 10 circles, that is an even number. So you are going to write even in the box. Letter B. There are 15 circles here. So is that an odd number or even number? It is odd number. We have 3 fingers here. That is an odd number. And letter D, there are 4 fingers. There are 4 fingers here. 4 is an even number. Okay, so letter A, that is even. Letter B, odd. Letter C, odd. And letter D, even. Okay, so that is on page 40. Now, let's proceed to your activity on page 41. Okay, so letter A, you will color the balloons with odd numbers orange. So please find those odd numbers here and color it with orange. So this is an odd number. Color it with orange. 13 is odd number. 95 is an odd number. And 677 is an odd number. So you are going to color it with orange. Okay, so you will continue coloring that one. Next, you will color the even numbers with green color. So 58 is an even number, so you are going to color it with green. Okay, so I'm going to highlight only. You will continue coloring that one. Okay, 900 is an even number. 34 is an even number. So you will color it with green. Okay, so you will continue coloring that one. Okay, next is arrange the even numbers in order. Again, letter C, you will arrange the even numbers in order. You will begin with the smallest number. Let's proceed to page 42. So exercise 2, which parts of Janice's body come in odd numbers or even numbers? The first one has been done for you. Okay, so you will count what is asked here. Eyes. Okay, so we have 2 eyes. So 2 is an even number. So you are going to write even here. Second word, nose. Okay, how many nose do you have? We have only 1 nose, so 1 is an odd number. You will write odd on the box. Next, nostrils. Nostrils. We have 2 nostrils, so that is an even. Ears. We have 2 ears, so 2 is an even number. Mouth. We have only 1 mouth, so 1 is an odd number. Hands. Hands. We have 2 hands, so that is even. Fingers on 1 hand. Fingers on 1 hand. There are 5 fingers in our 1 hand, so that is odd number. How about fingers on 2 hands? There are 10 fingers on our 2 hands, so that is even. Legs. We have 2 legs. That is even. And feet. We have 2 feet. 2 is an even numbers. Okay. That is your activity on page 42. Last activity, this would be on page 43. Exercise 3, complete the following. Okay, so we have here Amia, Hoiling, Siti, Peter, Janice, and Ravi. They are holding numbers. Okay, so let's identify who holds odd numbers and even numbers. Okay, letter A. Who is holding an even number greater than 800? Who do you think holds even number greater than 800? She is Siti. Okay, so we have here 804. That is greater than 800. Letter B. Who is holding an odd number greater than 800? Okay, this is odd number greater than 800. It is Peter. He is Peter. That is an odd number greater than 800. Letter C. Who is holding the smallest even number? She is Janice. Smallest even number. She is Janice. Okay. Next, letter D. Who is holding the smallest odd number? Smallest odd number. Who do you think? She is Hoiling. She is Hoiling. Letter E. How many students are holding even numbers? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So there are 4 people. Letter F. How many students are holding odd numbers? How many? Let's count. 1, 2. Okay, so there are only 2 people who are holding odd numbers. Letter G. What are the even numbers? Okay, among these numbers, what are those even numbers? We have 716, 804, 222, and the last is 428. How about the odd numbers? What are the odd numbers? We have 335 and 919. Okay, so this is your activity for today. Thank you very much for listening. See you again on our next class. Okay, so have a nice day, everyone. Goodbye.